Yeah, now I can hear you.
You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you see me?
Can you switch on the camera, please, Mr. Tripto?
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah,
now you can see me?
I cannot see you, Mr. Tripto.
I don't know.
Anyways, why don't we start the session? Can you tell me something about yourself?
Okay. Uh, so, as you know, my name is Tripto and I live in West Bengal and I am here to.
Where in West Bengal, Mr. Tripto?
I am. I'm. I'm near Kolkata. I am from near Kolkata.
Okay, you're from near Kolkata. And what do you do? What is your profession? Are you still studying, or are you have you started working?
I just finished studying. I just finished my school and now I am studying English.
You just finished school, class 12.
Yeah, class 12th.
So, have you taken admission in college?
Maybe probably after COVID I'll take an admission. But right now I don't have any admission.
After COVID. So, COVID may take 1 decade to get over.
Oh, yeah, maybe next year I will take. Maybe next year. But right now I try to improve my English.
Okay, right now you want to improve your English.
Yeah.
So, how is improving your English going to help you?
Could you repeat that?
So, how is improving English going to help you?
Okay, I think in my uh, in my education it will help me.
It will help you in the education.
Yeah.
So, are you planning to like take a break of a year, or are you planning to study? Are you planning to work? Do you want to like do a job for 1 year, or are you like going to be taking a break and preparing and improving your English
Yeah.
so that
I want to take a break and improve my English.
okay, so you want to improve your English so that you can improve your education.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me something. What is your ambition? What do you want to become?
Maybe I will study computer science and I'll become a software developer.
Okay, so you have done science in plus two.
Yeah, I took PCM.
Okay, you took PCM, and after that, have you take? Did you take the JE?
Yeah, I took JE, but it was too hard for me.
It was very hard for
Yeah,
you. So, are you like planning to prepare for JE for 1 year, or are you just only planning to prepare for your English?
yeah. I just want to right now. I just want to improve my English. Maybe next year I will join a college.
Okay. All right. So, you don't want to take your JE again?
No.
You don't want to take your JE again? Okay.
So could you?
So, how will you become a software developer if you don't do engineering? I mean, what is your plan?
No, I have finished 12th and maybe in a private college. I
In a private college.
Yeah.
Okay. Very nice. All right. So, what are your hobbies, Tripto?
So I like to study English and sometimes I watch movies too so that my English I can improve my English.
Any other hobbies you have? Music, dance,
Mus-
drawing?
Music. No, um, in, actually English and movies. Actually, I don't have any other hobbies.
You don't have any other hobbies.
No,
Okay. All right. Very nice. So, how did you come to know about us? How did you come to know about Clippingo?
I saw some video in YouTube on YouTube, and that's how I know about Clappingo. And could you ask you some questions? Could I ask you some questions?
Yes, please.
Then, mm, how long have you been doing this?
With Clippingo. I'm since April with Clippingo.
April 2021, right?
Yes.
April. And how long is this Clappingo? I mean,
I have no idea. I am a virtual teacher over here.
Yeah.
I did not even have any interview process, all right, and it is a virtual organization, and so I had sort of an interview which was online, and after that I just have this application like the way you subscribe and you take up a class. Same way I just get a notification that my class is scheduled for this time. So I don't have much information on history, office. I only know the children who come and take classes with me. That's it. I
Yeah.
don't have much information on it. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just a speaker over here. If you will ask me what are the subscription plans, etc., I have no idea. I can only tell you about the teaching model which
Yeah.
we follow, and how we help you to improve your English. That's all I can tell you over here.
Okay. So could you tell me some tips to so that I can improve my English?
So, see, the English is a language. See, you already know English, no? So it's like it's not like you are not reading. You can read and write in English, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
But do you face any challenge when it comes to speaking?
Yes. Yes. Sometimes words don't come into in my mind. So
So you basically don't have the fluency. Why you
yes.
don't have the? It's not like you don't understand the language. So how will fluency come in? Fluency will only come in when you start practicing the language. How will you start practicing? When you will start speaking with people. So the best way is to improve your English. As much you will speak, your English will start. So it's more about practice. As much you will practice, the more you will improve. You can also, um, so here in Clippingo, I'll just tell you how we work. We basically give you a speaker who's an expert of the language. You speak. We give a topic of discussion every class.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So there will be a topic of discussion. You will get a session document. In the session document, you will have points which are written over there. In the points you will have is like which are going to be discussed in the class. You can prepare in advance. When you are prepared, you will not feel. Most of us feel very hesitant when we have to speak in English because we start first thinking what we have to say, and in that process, we are not able to speak because we're giving like too much. Am I? Then we start thinking, am I speaking the right thing? Am I speaking the wrong thing? And in that process, what happens is we just don't speak. So here, when you are going to be prepared for the topic, you will still have the points. You will not think so much. You will have a discussion with the speaker. As you will have a discussion every day with the speaker, you will see your English improving. Secondly, we also work on your word power. How do we work on your word power? So the topic of discussion, you will have words which are for that topic, which are related to the topic. Since you are preparing for the topic, you will be able to even relate with the words. When you understand those words, you can even use them in your sentences. So we work on your basically only on spoken English.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We work on making you speak. We make help you with the speaker who speaks in the same language, and we work on your word path. This is briefly what we do over here. And if
Okay.
you want to improve your English, you can also try reading the newspaper. Reading is very helpful when it comes to English. So, reading and speaking are two things which will really help you. Read. One thing I can tell you is take up the newspaper. There is a very nice editorial section where they give you points of views of everything.
Yeah.
Take up those, topics. You will also have like debates and for point of view and against point of views, etc. Take up those, make a diary, try to summarize those articles in your own words, do sentence formation, whatever new words you find over there, note them down, try to make more sentences, use them in your language. So these are the few things if you will do, you will start. So writing, reading, and speaking, these are the three things which will help you to improve your English.
Okay. Writing,
Okay,
reading,
we
and
have
speaking.
two more minutes. Any questions?
So how many students have you taught before?
Sorry.
I mean, how many? I mean, you are on clapping up for quite a while, right?
Yeah.
So how many students have you taught before?
So we don't have one student or anything. It is a flexible platform. Any student, so it's not like one student subscribes to me, then he has to subscribe to me every day. He can take one session with me, second session he can take with someone else.
Oh, so
So it's not like he has to stick with me. So every day I have like, maybe today I have like some 7 sessions. So every day maybe you can put 7 people.
okay. So you so I want to know what is the most difficult part in learning English, in your opinion. Most difficult part.
I don't think there is any difficult part in English.
I mean, I think speaking
It's a
speak.
very, it's a language which has to be practiced. The more you will practice, the more easier it will start becoming for you.
So I think the practice is. I mean, I think speaking is little bit difficult than the other parts like reading, writing, and speaking is little. I
Yeah,
think.
because